Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do another no retwist lock style. So let's get to it. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp. And the oil that's in this is my Africa's Best Herbal Oil. I'm just gonna put some oil in my roots just to keep it moisturized a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, which looks like this. It is the Cream of Nature Invigorating Leave-In. I'm just going to spray that on my hair. All right, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead with the style. So for this one, I was thinking of doing the Bantu knots, but on my whole head. So I do have a video of a Bantu crown, right? But now I'm gonna do everything and not leave the back. So I'm just gonna get started with that. I think I'm gonna separate the hair so it can be easier for me, you know. So I'm going to separate from ear to ear because I think it's easier when you do it like that. And I'm just gonna put everything apart. All right, so I find that it's easier for me to do my hair if I separate it in sections. So I separated the front from my part. So from ear to ear, I separated everything. And so I'm just gonna start off with the back. And pretty much I'm just gonna do how I did the last one, just take a section and then just do a Bantu knot and then go from there. So yeah. I finished the back. It was really quick and to the point. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the front. So normally I do leave the two little pieces down here to do a 2-strand twist, but I honestly just don't feel like leaving any hair out at all. So I think I'm just gonna put everything all together. So for my parting, because I have a widow's peak, it's really easy for me to part. So I just part wherever it's at. So it's like right here, I'm gonna do my part here. I'm gonna put this hair away so I can start on this piece right here. Basically, the actual style itself is really simple. I just take the hair and I twist, and I'm twisting away because that's just easier for me. So from the twist, you just do your Bantu knot, right? So you want like this, so you're just gonna go like this. And I just try to keep all the hair together so that I don't have any random pieces that are just sticking out. And then as I'm going, I'm tucking it under the actual knot. So once I have everything tucked, under the knot, I take my rubber band and I just put it over it. And I do 2 loops just to make sure. Oh, you see how there's just a piece sticking out? So I just tuck it under because I don't want anything sticking out. Ugh. So to get rid of this extra piece, I'm going to add another rubber band on top of that so it could keep it in place. This part is optional just because I personally just don't want anything sticking out. I don't like how that looks. And you see how the back here is sticking out? I don't like that. So I just try my best to keep everything tucked into itself. But if you don't mind it sticking out, then you don't have to do that extra part. So normally when I do my Bantu crown, I do 4, so 2 and 2. But because I do want to take this down and have like a curly, voluminous look, I'm going to do 3 in the front instead. So it's just same as before. I'm gonna take this and twist, and then after that, just knot. All right, so for this one, just like the other one, I'm going to take it and twist away from my face. And then I'm going to knot. Well, this is the very last piece. I'm going to do the same thing. All right, so I'm pretty much done. And this is the front. Now, from this step here, you can do whatever you want. You can add some baby hairs. You could add the little strings for the braids. Customize it. Make it however works for you. Me personally, I don't really care for edge control or any of that. So this is pretty much it for me. Add some hoop earrings. It's a done deal. But anyways, that is pretty much it. Is really quick. Quick styles. You don't even need a retwist for this. Okay, like, and who can tell that I don't have a retwist? Who? Nobody. This could do you over for the week or maybe half the week, a quick little whatever. It'll work. And this probably takes you like maybe 15, 20 minutes at most, not even 30 minutes. Okay. So that is pretty much it for today's video, you guys. And the good thing about this style also is the fact that when you take this down, you'll have like a curly type of look. So it's a 2-for-1 special. And who won't like that? Exactly. So anyways, that's pretty much it for today, you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.